The Xiaomi 15 Ultra feels like a new level of power and precision. It runs on blazing Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, paired with a stunning 6.73-inch ultra-bright display that makes everything look alive. And with that massive camera setup at the back, you can already tell it means business. Stick around because this phone is built to surprise you in a way you might not expect. Before we dive deeper, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Let's get started. The first thing that hits you is the display. It's a 6.73-inch AMOLED panel that shines up to 3200 nits of brightness, bright enough to stay clear even under harsh sunlight. The adaptive refresh rate from 1 to 120 Hz makes scrolling feel skinny smooth while saving battery when you are just reading or watching. And those color grips, rich and perfectly tuned by both entertainment and creative work. The phone comes in silver chrome, black and white, and each one looks elegant, especially with that premium curve finish. When it comes to performance, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra runs wide. With a Snapdragon 8 Elite processor and up to 16GB of RAM, multitasking feels effortless and gaming runs flawless without a hint of lag. There's also plenty of room for everything, up to 1TB of storage. You will never worry about space again. Even under heavy load, the Xiaomi cooling system keeps it stable, making it one of the most consistent performance of the year. Now let's talk cameras, because this setup is pure confidence. You get not one, not two, but 4 serious lenses, a 50MP main sensor, another 50MP floating telephoto, a 50MP ultra wide, and a mind-blowing 200MP ultra telephoto. Zoom shots stay sharp, details remain clear, and the color accuracy is on point. Whether you are outdoor, indoor, or under low light, this phone just delivers. The 32MP in-display selfie camera also captures grips, natural shot without overdoing the filters. It's clear Xiaomi is pushing for professional level photography right in your pockets. Powering all this is a 5410 mAh battery, and it's as tough as it sounds. Charging is insanely fast, 90W wired hypercharge and 80W wireless charging. Both get you from 0 to full in record time. Even on heavy day, you will end up the night with power to spare. It's designed not just for endurance but for confidence, quick top up that actually matters. For security, you've got an ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor that unlocks instantly. AI face unlock that's quick and smart. It builds up with an IP68 water and dust resistant, meaning a splash or drop in the sand isn't the end of the world. And with that SIM, NFC and Fuji support, you are really connected wherever you go. Inside the box, Xiaomi includes everything you need: a USB Type-C cable, SIM injector tools, protective case, and all the guides. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is fast, elegant and powerful, a phone that truly feels complete. It's built for people who want flagship performance without compromise. From its bright display to its camera and charging speed, it delivers in every category. So here's the question: do you think that the Xiaomi 15 Ultra has finally reached a level where it can stand toe-to-toe with the best smartphone in the world? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And before you go, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. More honest detailed review are coming your way soon. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.